Hey Pisces! December 2024 is here, and let me tell you, it's looking like a month where your dreams can finally start taking shape. There's a lot of powerful energy coming your way, and I can't wait to share it with you. But before we jump in, can I ask you to like this video? It really helps keep this space alive and thriving. And in the comments, tell me, what's one dream you're ready to manifest as 2025 approaches? Write it down. Sometimes, putting it into words is the first step to making it real. All right, let's break it down. We're going to look at your health, career, finances, and love for December. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, your well-being. Neptune, your ruling planet, is going direct on December 7th, and this shift is like a breath of fresh air. If you've been feeling foggy, tired, or just a little off, things are about to turn around. It's the perfect time to listen to your body and recalibrate. Start small. Maybe it's stretching in the morning, eating foods that energize you, or just carving out time to breathe and relax. Around the full moon on December 15th, emotions might run high, so be gentle with yourself. Remember, taking care of you is the best way to stay strong for everything else. Now, about your work life. Sagittarius season, which lasts until December 21st, lights up your career sector in a big way. You could finally see progress on a project or even get recognition for your efforts. But there's a little twist. Mercury is retrograde until December 15th. This means there might be delays or miscommunication, so stay patient and triple-check any important documents or emails. Once Mercury goes direct mid-month, you'll feel like the pace is picking up. Creative ideas and teamwork will flow effortlessly, and opportunities you've been waiting for could finally come through. The new moon on December 1st brings fresh energy to your financial world. It's the perfect time to set clear goals for the future, whether that's saving for something big, paying off debt, or just getting organized. But here's a tip: stick to your budget this month. With holiday spending in full swing, it's easy to go overboard, but a little discipline now will pay off later. Trust your instincts when it comes to money decisions. Your gut knows what's right for you. And finally, love. Venus is in Capricorn until December 7th, giving your relationships a steady, grounded vibe. This is a great time to build trust, have those meaningful talks, or just enjoy some quiet, quality time with your partner. After the 7th, Venus moves into Aquarius, and things get a little lighter and more playful. If you're single, this is a fantastic time to meet someone who really gets you, someone who feels more like a kindred spirit than just a casual connection. For couples, this energy encourages you to try something new together or have fun being spontaneous. Open your heart, Pisces. Love is all about connection, and December is inviting you to deepen it in your own unique way. So, Pisces, December is your month to dream big, but also take grounded, intentional steps toward making those dreams a reality. Trust yourself, trust the process, and remember, you're right where you need to be. Thank you so much for being here with me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Here's to a December full of clarity, joy, and everything your heart desires. Let's make it happen.